Hello crew, Arturo Spraycasso here, just making a quick video to hopefully answer some of the questions that I've gotten asked the most on my YouTube, on my Facebook, and on my private messages. So, question number one, do we have our spray paints available on the website? Absolutely. We have them on a kit, so you can either buy 12 of them, all 12 different colors, or individually, so you can buy them individually. Here's what the kits look like inside. Guys, the kits no longer come with a DVD. We moved everything to our YouTube channel. This helped us reduce the price on sending you guys the kit, so we were able to reduce the price there a bit. This is the colors that you get with the kit. You get your clear, your dark blue, your white, pink, black, red, green, orange, light blue, yellow, purple, and green. A lot of sister colors. So these guys, you can mix them together, make different colors, different versions of the color, darker blues, purples, everything you need to get. And I mean, you guys have seen me make hundreds of videos, literally hundreds of videos with those paints. Now, what is the difference between my paints and all the other store-bought paints? Good question. So as many of you may know, I've been sponsored by some of the biggest brands out there of spray paints, to which, I definitely used them. I experimented a lot with them. But they were always missing a little factor that you wouldn't, A, be able to mix other brands with them without them cracking or bubbling, or B, they just weren't vibrant enough. So after 10 years of developing this brand, it took 10 years, guys, we managed to come up with the Spraycasso spray paint brand. Trust me when I say I put my heart and soul in these paints because I believe in them, because you guys have seen me create amazing works of art with them, because I feel that these paints work best for what the kind of art that we do. Not only that, they're also made with standards of industry standards, which make them available to work on wood, metal, plastics, everything else. All right, the Spraycasso tool, do we have them available? So the Spraycasso tool comes with the kit. So if you guys get a kit that comes with 12 cans, it will come with one of these little guys. You guys have seen me use this little bad boy for years and years. This is another item that we can't keep in stock. These guys help us mix the paint, blend colors together. It's an amazing tool. I use it all the time. I mean, you guys just take a look at my videos. I use it all the time. I wouldn't be selling you some that I myself didn't either work on developing or believe that that it actually worked. Let's talk about the poster board. As you can tell, there's already a little bit of a difference here. This is the store-bought poster board. This is the Spraycasso brand poster board. So this guy, as you can see, the edges are already kind of standing up here. We didn't do anything to it, I promise. But that is because the difference is with the Spraycasso poster board, we use 16-point cardstock poster board for it. Really thick, really thick. So it's heavier and it'll stand flat in any surface. Let's do a comparison. This is, like I said, the store-bought. This is the ones that have the glossy side on one end, matted side on the other, right? You see those outlets back there? Let me move this guy out of the way. The glossy side is going to reflect, there they are, the outlets. You see them here by my index finger. Yep. Okay, pretty glossy. That's where you paint. Now, it is important to paint on the glossy side because it won't allow the paint to be absorbed. You don't want your paint to be absorbed through the poster board, as it won't give you those rich colors. You won't be able to blend it as well. There's a lot of downfalls. That's why you always want to get a glossy side. Let's compare it with the Spraycasso poster board. Look at that. There it is. We didn't even have to struggle. I mean, there's the poster board. Reflectiveness. Well, that's because we have an extra high gloss addition to this poster board, which makes it that much more reflective and allows your paint to be a lot more vibrant. So if I stand this guy up, okay, look, it's standing right in front of me. All right, let me show you the difference. Look at this. That is the difference. A lot thicker. Let's see if you can show you the thickness of this poster board versus the thickness of this guy. Very flimsy. A lot thicker, guys, if you are serious about spray painting, taking your skill to another level. Well, the materials that you use and the paints, the medium, the medias that you use have to be of the same caliber as a spray painter. So that is the difference, guys. You know, we used to make these out of popsicle sticks, right? Because of the techniques that we used to use back there were so limited. Now we've outgrown that. We've gone into the future. Now we're creating our tools, our own brand of spray paints, Posterboard. Guys, quality will make the difference. Guaranteed. The Posterboard, you know, guys, I was tired of cheap Posterboard. Flimsy. Sometimes I wasn't able to get the right gloss. Different brands have different types of gloss. Standardized it. Our gloss is the high ultra gloss. Look at that. It's just super bright, super thick. And I love the fact that at the end, like all professionals, you have your title block in the back. You want to name your painting. You want to sign it. You want to date it. You want to put what media and what medium was used, right? So media, this is an 11 by 14 pre-cut Spraycasso Posterboard. Medium, your favorite brand of spray paints. All right, crew. Well, I hope that's tackled some of the questions. Oh, I do have an announcement to make. I have a lot of friends out there that have asked me, you know what, Spraycasso, we love your Posterboard. We sell them on packages of 5 on the website. They said, that's great, but I'm spray painting live. I need more. I need more. So we're doing a special where we're having, you guys can pre-order. You can pre-order 100. You can pre-order 200 if you want. And of course, you get bulk price for that. So it works out. We just have a new shipment coming in. But if you guys pre-order, you can take advantage of this special and get up to 100 sheets. So if you guys are interested in that, please contact me on whether it's Facebook or YouTube. There's my emails is everywhere, basically. Or you can just post it in the comments below and we can discuss it. All right, crew. Well, I hope this has helped answer a lot of questions. Until next time, guys. Of course. Keep those cans shaking. Later, guys.